Here's a question that trips up a lot of people. What's the difference between a byte and a bit, or a bit and a byte? They sound almost identical, spelled a little bit differently. They're used everywhere in tech, and if you've ever compared internet speeds or checked how much storage you have left, you've seen them. But they're not the same thing, and understanding the differences can save you a lot of confusion. Let's break it down. Think of a bit like a single coin. It can only be one of two things, heads or tails. In computer terms, that's a 1 or a 0. On its own, one coin doesn't tell you much, but start grouping coins together and you can represent a lot more. 8 coins gives you 256 possible combinations of heads and tails. That's enough to represent a letter, a number, or a symbol. And that's exactly what a byte is. 8 bits, one handful of coins. Here's an easy way to remember which is which. Look at the letter B. Lowercase b means bit, the small one, a single coin. Uppercase B means byte, the bigger one, the handful. So when you see megabits written down, that's a lowercase b. When you see megabytes, that's an uppercase B. Small b, small unit. Big B, bigger unit. Now a handful of coins is manageable. But what happens when you start adding more? Thousands of coins. That's a kilobyte. Millions? A megabyte. Billions? A gigabyte. Suddenly, you're not holding coins anymore. You need buckets, bags, a whole vault. That's how data scales. And here's where it gets practical. When you're looking at file sizes, documents, photos, videos, those are measured in bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, big B. But when you're looking at internet speed, that measures in bits, megabits per second, small b. Why does this matter? Because they're not interchangeable. If your internet plan promises 100 megabits per second and you're downloading a 100 megabyte file, it won't take 1 second. It will take about 8 because there are 8 bits in every byte. It's a small detail, but once you know it, a lot of tech specs start making a lot more sense. Bits are the coins, bytes are the handful. Now you know the difference.